Assessing the credibility of sources, a must-know skill for English learners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you enhance your English language skills, specifically focusing on test preparation, study skills, and more. Today, we're diving into a very important subtopic under effective study strategies, called assessing the credibility of sources. Knowing how to assess the reliability of the information you read is not just an academic skill, but a life skill. So, let's get into it. Credibility refers to the trustworthiness and reliability of a particular source of information. Whether you are writing an essay, preparing a presentation, or just curious about a topic, you'll often need to refer to various sources. But not all sources are created equal. Some might give you inaccurate or misleading information, which can harm the quality of your work. There are mainly two types of sources: primary and secondary. 1. Primary sources. These are first-hand accounts or original data. Examples include research papers, statistical data, and eyewitness accounts. 2. Secondary sources. These are interpretations or analyses of primary sources. Examples include newspaper articles, reviews, and summaries. Generally, primary sources are considered more credible because they present original information. However, secondary sources can also be reliable if they are produced by reputable organizations or experts in the field. To assess the credibility of a source, you can use the CRAAP test. This acronym stands for currency, relevance, authority, accuracy, and purpose. 1. Currency. How recent is the information? Outdated facts can be misleading. 2. Relevance. Does the information meet your needs? Is it directly applicable to your topic? 3. Authority. Who is the author? What are their credentials? 4. Accuracy. Are there any factual errors? Check if the information is backed by evidence. 5. Purpose. Why was this source created? To inform, persuade, entertain? By running a source through the CRAAP test, you can have a better sense of its credibility. Here are some practical tips to help you assess the credibility of sources. 1. Check for citations. Reputable sources often cite their information. This creates a chain of credibility. 2. Look for expert reviews. If experts in the field have reviewed or cited the work, it's usually a good sign. 3. Use multiple sources. Never rely solely on one source. Compare information across multiple reputable sources to confirm its accuracy. And that wraps up our discussion on assessing the credibility of sources. Remember, the quality of your work is directly affected by the quality of your sources, so always make sure to assess the credibility of the information you include. I hope you find this video helpful, and as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy studying!